Today, I'm diving into the challenge of steeping tea without any bags. Let's see if I can brew the perfect cup from scratch. Steeping tea without bags is actually quite simple, and it's a game changer for tea lovers. By using loose leaf tea, you get to experience the full flavor and aroma of the tea leaves, which can be a totally different experience compared to bagged tea. Plus, it's a great way to explore different types of tea and find your favorites. One of the biggest complaints people have about steeping tea without bags is that it can be messy. Leaves floating around everywhere, it's a bit of a pain to clean up. And then there's the issue of brewing time. It's hard to know exactly how long to steep your tea for. Some people worry that they'll end up with a bitter cup if they steep it for too long. Others are concerned that their tea will be too weak if they don't steep it long enough. I've even heard some people mention that they struggle to find the right tools for steeping loose leaf tea. To tackle these challenges, let's start with the right tools. You'll need a tea strainer or infuser, which comes in all sorts of shapes and sizes. Some people like to use a simple metal strainer, while others prefer a more elaborate ceramic infuser. Whatever you choose, make sure it's easy to clean and does a good job of catching those tiny tea leaves. Water temperature is also crucial. Different types of tea require different temperatures, so make sure you've got a thermometer on hand. And then there's steeping time, which can vary depending on the type of tea and your personal preference. The good news is that once you get the hang of it, steeping loose leaf tea is a breeze. With a few simple tips and tricks, you can brew the perfect cup every time. So let's get started and see how it's done. Okay, so here we go. I've got my tea leaves, my strainer, and my thermometer. I'm going to start by heating up some water to the perfect temperature for my tea. That's around 200 degrees Fahrenheit for this particular type of tea. While that's heating up, I'll add my tea leaves to the strainer. I'm using about a teaspoon of leaves for every 8 ounces of water. With my water ready, I'll now pour it over the tea leaves and let it steep for about 3 to 4 minutes. As the tea steeps, you can start to see the leaves unfurling and the flavor developing. It's amazing to watch. As I wait for my tea to steep, I can already smell the aroma filling the air. It's one of the best parts of steeping loose leaf tea, the sensory experience. Okay, so my tea has steeped for a few minutes now, and it's time to strain it. I'll just lift the strainer out of the cup, and voila, a perfectly brewed cup of tea. The flavor is rich and complex, with just the right amount of bitterness. It's amazing how much of a difference steeping loose leaf tea can make. Recap: steeping tea without bags is easy and offers so many benefits. You've got more control over the brewing process, and you get to experience the full flavor and aroma of the tea leaves. With the right tools and a bit of practice, you can brew the perfect cup every time. If you're a fellow tea lover, I'd love to hear from you. What are some of your favorite loose leaf teas? Have you got a go-to strainer or infuser that you swear by? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more tea-related content, be sure to check out my other videos for tips and tricks on everything from tea brewing to tea tasting.